In this video, I'll show you how to request access to a Facebook page in Business Manager step by step. If you need to manage a client's Facebook page without owning it, you can request access through Meta Business Suite. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite with the account that manages your business. Next, click Settings, then open Business Settings. In the left menu, click Accounts, then select Pages. Now, click the Add button and choose Request Access to a Page. Enter the name or URL of the Facebook page you want to access, then select the correct page from the search results. Next, choose the permissions you need, such as creating content, managing messages, running ads, or full control if the page owner is willing to grant it. Review your request carefully, then click Request Access. The page owner or business manager admin will receive your request and must approve it before you can manage the page. Once approved, the page will appear in your business manager, and you'll be able to access it based on the permissions you've been given. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.